Okay, so we are unboxing a brand new kit today. I think today I want to use Heaven, which is more of the brown nude. Oops. I think I'm going to try them on all the girls too because I want everyone to wear. This is Heaven. It's super beautiful. I'll show you guys what it looks like on. Overline my top lip. Kind of a brownish nude. Then I'll color it in a little bit more. Fill it in on the sides and kind of bring it to the front. And this will stay all day long. It's a really nice long wear shade. The formula is actually everything. And that's the final color. I'll take you guys into the window. Okay, so this is what it looks like in direct lighting. It's this really gorgeous kind of nudish, like everyday. And it looks so elevated and pretty on. Okay, we are here with the stunning Knits.
Hello.
And she is going to be picking her shade of the day.
So excited.
We have Loyal, we have Pure, and then we have Heaven. I have on Heaven, which I think is kind of
Yeah, we absolutely want Heaven.
brings in like the rosy bronze color. It's more of like a bronze lip.
Yeah, I love.
Which we love.
I love.
My dream lips.
Stunning.
Do you overline your lips? Like, what is one thing that you do? Or do you just go like true to?
Usually I go true, but I've been really into overlining like the top and the bottom.
Yeah.
So it's like all natural here, but then you go a little bit like poutier.
Yep, like a little bit in the center.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, I love doing like a contour on the bottom first. So you kind of like take it and you contour underneath. And look at that like one little
It just
moment.
creates like a shadow effect.
Yeah.
I love it.
And then you bring it up again. So you don't really contour or do overlined past that point. You just start to bring it up. Wait, this is so fun doing your lips because you have such big lips.
Wait, this color. Oh my god, it's so nice.
So
Okay, the shade.
we have to do the other side and then we have to fill in the rest. So I'd like to line it first and then I'll go back and fill it in. We're filling in the
Wait,
rest
our
of the
lips
lip
look so
now.
big right now. Oh, this color, Jordan? Yes.
Sickening. It makes such a crisp line too.
Wait, it's so creamy.
Wait, you look really pretty on camera.
Okay,
Wait.
wow.
Okay, this color.
Cute.
Wait, it actually looks
This
so good.
color is so good.
It looks so nice.
Yeah, okay. It's like almost gives me hints of red.
Yeah.
It's giving red, but like in a Hallmark movie where it's like not too much. Wait, so nice. 10 out of 10. 10 out
Yay.
of 10, everyone.
You're next.
It's my turn to be on camera.
Okay, so we're
I'm like,
using Pure on
my
Sophie.
tutorial.
We're using Pure. This one is a fresh pencil. Oh wait, you have perfect lips too. I don't want to mess up your makeup. Okay, I'm gonna do my best. I'm not good at like. We are going in.
Don't do me dirty, Jordan.
No, I won't. I promise. How do you like to line your lips? Do you like to overline to like the
I don't-
outside?
I don't usually overline, actually.
No, you don't need to. You have like perfect lips.
I paid for them.
We love.
Does this look dumb?
I think it looks so cute. No, it's really cute. They all the same tones.
Yeah, stunning. I may borrow those when I'm shooting.
There's two pairs.
Oh, stunning. Wait, who has two?
Ooh! Stunning. Wait, I love it.
It's really pretty. It looks good with the jacket.
Yeah, it looks really
I
good.
know.
with
It's
the
like
jacket.
perfect with the jacket.
If
Cute, I love it.
And then we're gonna take this one and then we're gonna like do a little contour underneath so that it's a nice little like. Oops. My eyes.
Okay, I actually love these
What?
colors together.
Looks beautiful with the blue eyes.
Cute. Wait, I love it.
So neat.
Can I try the lip oil?
Yeah. So the lip oil's in the bathroom.
Hi, everyone.
It literally looks like I got lip filler.
Wait, when I literally close that up, someone do my
So then we just use the lip oil, but the lip oil in the center to add
Can we like open
a little bit of
in here?
plumpness. Looks
Yeah,
so
I don't know
cute.
how to open the door.
when I'm too small.
Who knows how to turn off the fireplace?
I'm too short for it. No, I look short like guys.
Hey guys.
I look like Brittany.
And in the story when she's like,
Yeah.
she's down like this and she's dancing and she's like, did she do the helicopter one from TikTok?
Oh, yeah.
Helicopter.
Hi guys, this is the stunning Emma Leger. And we are doing Heaven on her because we want to do like we want to tie in this blush moment we have going on. We want to make it all like a bronze, gorgeous, Sunny Queen moment.
I'm more of like a nude gal too.
Yeah, me too. Like,
Yeah, we're same.
this is more of like a nudie, reddish pink.
what color's that?
This is Heaven. What I'm wearing.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
Little.
Oh, wait, you have like the perfect lips to line. They're like
Really?
so cute.
Oh, goals. Oh, lips are huge on that side.
Yeah, already. And I actually only lined
power
your.
of
I
makeup.
only lined your lips. I didn't overline yet,
Wow.
which is great.
Oh, wow. We're all so crusty. We're all so crusty from the weather.
It's okay though.
Mm-hmm.
Hailey Bieber, here we come.
Uh-huh. Madison Beer. Ew.
Gorge.
Oh, love.
So gorgeous.
Wait, I'm obsessed. It's such a fall color.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
So good. And then we're gonna do the oil.
Stunning.
Completes the look.
Gorge.
Oh, oil
And then-
on top.
No, we
please.
have to do that little like
One
extra
oil on
bit of
top.
plump. We're gonna do the oil, which is
Okay.
As well, just in the center to get rid of. Just like blend the color together, if anything. Right in the center.
hi.
I do.
Love it. Gorge.
Started.
Oh, we love it.
My turn.
We're gonna do Michelle's. We're gonna do Heaven on Michelle as well. We kind of already need to sharpen her, but I think it's actually better now that it's a little bit more dull. Wait, you have perfect lips too. Everyone here has perfect lips. Do you have like that perfect little like pout overhang too?
I feel like I'm like getting my makeup and my makeup. So good.
Stunning.
And now we do the oil.
And now we're gonna do some oil on top just to like hydrate, blend the color together. This is just like a light pink oil. It doesn't really have any color, but it just has a nice little tint to like add some nice hydration.
Okay, I'm obsessed.
So
What
gorgeous.
color is this?
This is Heaven.
Like, when does mine arrive?
No, it's coming. It's on its way. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.
Bye.